Gattu Chinky's childhood. Gattu Chinky was sitting on the mat in the living room and solving some puzzles when Mummy comes over there. She had 3-4 albums in her hand.
Look, Gattu Chinky, what I found.
Hey Mummy, what is this? There is so much dust on it.
Chinky picks up the album kept on top and starts cleaning its dust with her hand.
Wait, Chinky. Clean the album with this cloth.
Okay, Mummy.
Just as Chinky cleans the dust, Gattu Chinky see that written in big letters on the album was Gattu Chinky's childhood.
Wow, Mummy. Here it is written Gattu Chinky ka bachpan. That means it has our childhood photographs.
Yes, kids. When you both were small, Papa had a camera. And he always often clicked lots of photographs of you both with it. And then I had made this album of all those photographs. Using craft only, I wrote on this.
Wow. Come on, Chinky. Let's open this album and remember our childhood. Yes, I will open it now, Gattu.
As Chinky opens the first page of the album, the first photo inside was of Gattu. In that photo, Gattu was holding a glass in his hand. His pants were wet and he was also crying.
Gattu, you were crying because you had wet your pants. What? No. I can never do this. Isn't it, Mummy?
Yes, Gattu beta. You did not wet your pant. Rather, you yourself spilled a glass of milk on yourself. And then you started crying. That's when Papa clicked this photo.
See, Chinky, I did not dirty my pant.
But you are looking so small in this.
Yes, that is right.
Then Chinky turns the page. In the next photograph, Gattu Chinky was sitting on their small chairs and table. And with them, toys were sitting on 2 chairs. On one chair, a pink doll and on the other, a monkey.
What are we doing here, Mummy?
This. That day.
Gattu Chinky, come on, it is time for dinner.
Little Gattu Chinky start crying loudly.
Hey, what happened, kids?
Mummy, my Chinku monkey is angry. And my dolly doll too.
But why, kids? Why are your toys angry?
Because you don't give them dinner. Mummy, I want to have dinner with my Chiku monkey only. And I with my dolly doll.
What? Okay then, kids. Here, I'll make them sit on the chair with you two.
What? Why did we tell you to give dinner to the toys, Mummy? Yes, this is such a funny thing.
Kids, but you both always stayed with your Chiku monkey and dolly doll. You never left them.
By the way, Mummy, where are those toys now? We like them a lot, right? Yes, Mummy. This doll is looking so good. It would have been so nice if we still had it. Is it somewhere in the house only?
What? No, kids. When we shifted the house, we lost these toys. Both of you cried a lot on losing them. It was very difficult for me to make you understand.
Gattu Chinky gets sad after listening to Mummy's words. But just then, Mummy says,
Oh yes, but Gattu Chinky, the same Chiku monkey is also available on the Puntoon Kids website. And this doll with pink cap too. I had seen it. Wait, I will show you now.
Mummy quickly opens the Puntoon Kids website on her phone. She also gets the cheeky chimp monkey and the pink doll.
Yes, look at this, kids. I will order for both of you right now.
Then our childhood toys will come back to us again. Yay! Come on, let us see the next photograph of the album.
Chinky sees the next photograph. Gattu and Chinky were standing in their school uniforms. But their uniforms were different.
When is this photo from? This school uniform is quite different from ours.
Yes, children. This is the photo of your first day of school. And at this time, you both were in pre-kindergarten.
Oh, so Mummy, we cried on the first day of school.
That day.
Children, let's go. You both have to go to school today. It will be a lot of fun. No, Mummy, we won't go to school. We won't go to school. Gattu, don't say that. We will find new friends in school. Let's go. I don't want to go to school, Mummy.
I don't want to go far from Mummy.
And Gattu goes and sticks to Mummy.
Gattu, will you let me go to school alone? Then I will stay alone there.
Yes, Gattu beta. You both will have to go to school together. And it is a lot of fun there.
No, I don't want to go. Don't want to go. What? Then did I not go to school, Mummy?
No, Gattu, you did go to school.
But how, Mummy? How did you convince Gattu to go to school?
This is also a very funny story, Chinky. So, what happened was, look, Gattu is not agreeing to go to school.
Gattu dear, everyone has to go to school.
No, I don't want to go anywhere without Mama. No, I will not go. I will not go.
Okay, Gattu dear, what if Mummy also goes with you? Gattu becomes quiet after hearing this. And then Mummy also goes to school with him.
What? So, Mummy, did you really go to school with me?
Yes, Gattu beta. And not only this, I also used to sit with you both on your small seat in your classroom the whole time because you were never leaving me alone.
Then what happened, Mummy?
Then slowly you all had made new friends and both of you learned to go to school alone.
Come on, let's see the next photograph.
In the next photograph, both Gattu and Chinky were wearing lehenga. Seeing this, everyone starts laughing a lot.
Hey, what is this, Mummy? Why did you make me wear a lehenga?
Hey Gattu, I did not make you wear it. It was Diwali time and we had bought a kurta for you. But you found Chinky's lehenga so pretty that you insisted that you also want to wear a lehenga. That is why we had to get the same for you too.
Gattu, really you always insisted for strange things only. But now I don't insist like this, Chinky. I am smart now. Really? Then who was that? Insisting Mummy not to make bottle guard. That was different, Chinky. I don't like bottle guard.
But Gattu beta, that halwa that you ate yesterday evening, you liked it very much. It was also bottle guard halwa.
What?
Yes, Gattu, you always insist on such strange and weird things. So I also have to find one or the other idea by showing my smartness.
But how come that halwa was of bottle guard? I have to admit, Mummy, you always have a cure of Gattu's every instance.
Yes, Chinky, you are right.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Mummy start looking at the photographs and do not know when it turns to evening. In this way, Gattu, Chinky look back at their childhood, that too with the help of their photographs.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.